Hey guys, today I'm going to show you Samsung Galaxy J3 Google account bypass. First of all, you connect the Wi-Fi connection and don't skip the video. Please watch. Can you please subscribe my channel? Every day I upload a useful video for you. Do you forgot your Google account? Don't worry, I will explain step by step. I will tell you. Can you please hold the two finger on screen just for 5 seconds, and after the talkback is on, please wait. And after that you will write the else app and select the talkback setting and select the help and feedback option, and after that you will type delete or disable app and select the YouTube, and just wait 1 second and open the YouTube now. Oh my goodness, you will type the addrombypass.com. Addrom website is opened and you will select the setting option and you will check the your Android version, and after that you will type the Technocare APK. You will select the first link and you click the download, and after that wait 1 second, still downloading. And okay, internet is also very fast. Quickly download and open the download file, and okay, download is complete and install that one, and next setup, and okay, Technocare is installing. Just wait 1 second. After that you are done and you will go to the addrom link and you will type again addrom bypass and you will select the setting option. You will select the security option, and after that you will select the other security setting and you will click the device admin app and you will deactivate the find my device. After that you will select the apps and click the three dots and source system apps, and you will search the Google Play service and click the Google Play service and disable this application. After that you will select the cloud and accounts and click the accounts and add account. After that you will click the Google. You will sign in the another Gmail. You don't have another Gmail, you will create for new Gmail for another phone and signing that email. And after that you will sign in the Gmail and go to the apps and you will enable the Google Play service. Oh my goodness, fake is complete. Your phone is now unlocked. Can you please subscribe my channel? I everyday upload a useful video for you because I know a lot of knowledge and I have a lot of experience this field. Because then can you please support my channel and you will share your friends and your neighbors. Can you please support my channel? Definitely I will give them my best for you. Again I will tell you, if you like this video, can you please support my channel? See you, bye. I will see you next video for you.